Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are well and safe at your home. So, listen, students, today we are going to learn a new chapter, and the chapter name is At the Zoo. Have you ever heard this name? Zoo? Do you know who lives in the zoo? No. So, listen, students, as we live in our house, same, the zoo is also a place for living. And do you know who lives in the zoo? No. So look at the picture. Here we can see many animals. And do you know all the animals live in the zoo? We can see on the top what is written here? Zoo. All the animals live in the zoo. So now I am going to teach you about this chapter at the zoo. So this is a story related with Manu. Do you want to listen this story? Yes. Let's start. See this picture? What is this? What is going on here? Yes, Manu, Meeta and Sport are playing. And what they have? Yes, we can see they have a ball. It means they are playing with ball. Let's see what happened next. It is Sunday. Manu and his dog Spot are playing with balls. Manu, his dog Spot are playing. And father comes and says, "We are going to the zoo today." Manu says, "Yippee, I am happy." And Sport says, "Woof woof." Little Meeta is happy too. Now they all are excited to go to the zoo. Now look at this picture. Manu takes his bat and ball. Manu takes his bat and ball. Mostly we see boys play with bat and ball because he wants to play there also. That's why he takes his bat and ball with him. So now see, who is this? Yes, this is a dog, and dog's name is Spot. Spot takes his rubber bone. It means dog is also excited to go to the zoo. He also want to visit to the zoo. He has also taken his rubber bone. Now tell me about her. Who is she? Manu's sister, Meeta. So little Meeta takes her doll. They can't wait to get into the car. But where are Mummy and Daddy? Mummy and Daddy means parents. Mother and father are called parents. Now they all are looking for the parents, that where are Mummy and Daddy. Do you know where are they? You can see what are they doing? Mummy and Daddy are busy packing food. And can you see what are they packing? Healthy food, not junk food. Fruits, milk, butter. They are carrying only healthy food for their children because they know when they will go there, children will feel hungry. So for them they are carrying food. So that's why they are busy in packing food. Now see this picture. This is a zoo. It means they all have reached at zoo. They all are excited to see the zoo. They want to know that what types of animals are living in the zoo. Like all of you want to know about animals and zoo. They see many animals in the zoo. So first of all, they see tiger. At the zoo, the tiger is sleeping. Zo, 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 like this. And after that, they see monkey. Monkey is sitting on the tree. Do you know about monkey? Have you ever seen a monkey? They see the birds chirp, tweet, tweet, tweet. The lion roars, roar. The lion cub tries to roar. The snake goes hiss. The monkey waves his long tail. The monkey waves his long tail. The crocodile shakes his tail. We can see here the crocodile shakes his tail. The elephant lifts his long nose. What fun they all have! So Manu and his family see all the animals, and after they clicked photographs of animals and they finish their lunch, they go back at their home with parents. So it is a story about animals. I hope you understood very well. Now we have known all the animals who are living at the zoo. Thanks.